Okay. I had to cut this sliver out of the bottom tube so that it would fit on the shoulder of the red dot scope. And I also had to cut out a sliver on both sides so that this tube would sit down lower, because that way the mirror would align better with the tube. So you can see inside where the tube now just sits on the shoulder of the red dot scope, and then I just held it on with a cable tie and used some super glue on both sides, on the outside and on the inside in there. And I was going to use some epoxy, but the super glue is holding really strong, and I haven't even finished, so I want to glue it on here, and I'll just try the super glue. And so that's how it looks on the inside. And let me turn on the red dot and see if we can see it. I guess we can see it. Let's see. The other thing is you need to be careful that you don't get the glue inside there, because then you'll mess up the vertical adjuster. So this thing has to still be able to go up and down. So be sure to only get the glue on the outside. I think it's a red dot. It's hard to tell on here. Anyway, it shows up very well. So